Have you ever wondered if it's possible to build wealth while you're living from paycheck to paycheck? Like, how does an ordinary working person become rich without winning the lottery? In this video, I'm going to show you a 3-step process on how to start building wealth even if you're living from paycheck to paycheck. I'm Sia, I'm a qualified accountant, and after helping many people around the world to transform their finances, I've learned one thing: you do not need a 6-figure income to start building wealth. You need a new money system. Let's dive in. Let me tell you a quick story. A client of mine used to say, "I'll start saving once I earn more." He waited for 3 years and nothing changed, because no matter how much he earned, his spending always caught up with him. That's the trap. Getting rich doesn't start when you earn more. It starts when you keep a slice of what you earn and use it to create leverage. Even $100 can start something big if it's used with intention. The next step is super important because it separates the action takers from the dreamers, and that is: the first step is to separate survival from strategy. Most people throw all their money into one account, and it's chaotic. Rather, you should create 2 accounts. One for survival, that is for things like your bills, food, and rent. The other account for strategy, like upgrading your skills, buying a course, investing in stocks, and so forth. $100 a month is sufficient to get started with building your strategy fund. This tiny separation sends a powerful message to the subconscious mind. It reprograms it from survival mode to building mode. Step number 2 is to build a second income stream. Use the funds from your strategy account to start a second income stream. You can become a freelancer on websites like Fiverr, Upwork, or FlexJobs. You could create and sell digital products like cooking recipes or children's storybooks on websites like Etsy or Amazon. There are countless examples of ordinary people who tried these side hustles, started small, and later ended up making 6 figures from their side hustle while keeping their full-time jobs. The next step is the foundation of all your wealth goals. Everything I've taught you up until now doesn't matter without this step, and that is: millions of people believe they are not worthy of being rich. They look upon riches as sin. They feel guilty for desiring riches. They judge themselves as being greedy when the slightest thought of financial ambition crosses their mind. Nothing can be further from the truth. The truth is, you are worthy of living an abundant life. There is no glory to be found in struggling with your finances. When I started believing that I was worthy of being wealthy, everything changed. Shame turned into ambition, despair turned into courage, and scarcity turned into abundance. And I know the same can happen for you. If this video gave you clarity, imagine what can happen when you actually apply it. Start with 1 step today and build from there. And if you want more real-world strategies like these, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. We're building wealth the smart way. See you on the next one.